Chapter 21 Birds. Hello, friends. Today, we are going to learn about birds. Birds have wings that help them fly, and they come in many beautiful shapes, colors, and sizes. Let's meet some of them. This is a peacock. It is the national bird of India and is famous for its colorful feathers. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds and can find their way home from far away. This is a crow. Crows are black and very clever. They eat almost anything. This is a parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can even copy human speech. This is an owl. Owls are awake at night and can see very well in the dark. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are small and friendly birds that live near our homes. This is an eagle. Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyesight and powerful claws. This is a woodpecker. It pecks holes in trees to find insects to eat. This is a kingfisher. Kingfishers are bright and colorful and are great at catching fish. Birds make our world more beautiful with their colors and songs. Let's protect them and keep their homes safe.